We got given a brand new city, and it's all gone to hell since then. For some of us, well, most of us, but maybe you on the top shelf couldn't tell. They have written an alternate ending. As long as we all keep spending, we're okay in their eyes. Keep it up, read the Telegraph, wait for the surprise, it's a free CD inside. Have you seen a current affair? It's on tonight. It's the weekend, are you seeking a big night? Don't you get the feeling that something right? Magic of the humans diluted to consuming whatever they are told to by the drone. Like a link that turns out to be feral, it makes people go fucking mental. It's easy to believe in what you know. Well, man knows how to answer when the world gives him cancer. The secret is behind the hidden door. Well, that door proves hard to find when you've chosen to be blind, and the magic of the human isn't there. Well, it's the only way to unwind in these dark and dismal times. Which one are you, my dear? Laziness or fear? Have you seen a current affair? It's on tonight. It's the weekend, are you seeking a big night? Well, don't you get the feeling that something